Really good, doesn't it?
Oh, look at...
What?
Hey guys, welcome back to Lucy's Vlogs. So today we are doing a video that someone suggested to me quite a while ago. I have no makeup on and I'm going to do a video with Liam doing my makeup. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoy it, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see next. Let's go. Okay, so I am sat at my dressing table. In all of my drawers next to me is all of my makeup. I am not going to help Liam in any sort of way by telling him what order or anything any of this goes. My brushes are behind me as well, so he is just going to try and do my everyday makeup all by himself. Colours, foundation, anything he decides to do all by himself. He is now in the kitchen getting some biscuits because that is what he is absolutely addicted to. So when he gets back, we're going to start this. Search for these by yourself. So read the stuff. Look, stuff's up here as well. This is primer. I'll help you with that. That's primer.
Oh!
I'm helping you a little bit.
Your colour. Oh! Yeah. Right.
What are you doing?
I think this is what you do.
This is what I do, is it?
I think so. And then
Well, you've got to do it. That's the idea of you doing it. Probably my brush, one of my brushes.
so which brush would it be? I don't want to ruin a brush if it's not really. Is it this one?
No. No!
Aha!
You think I do my whole face with that tiny little brush? No!
What do you do? Just help me.
I'm not meant to be helping you. You don't put the one that's got foundation on it already.
That one?
No.
That one?
No.
This one? That's pink!
Yeah, the bottom's pink. That's naturally pink. It's normally pink. That's the colour of the brush.
And then we just dab this around here. Close your eyes, please. Paint it like a paintbrush. And up your nose. Spread around your whole face. Alright, we need to get your hair out.
You would not be a good
Did I stick you in the eye?
Yes.
I think it just got to go down your neck as well, now, so you don't have that orange line.
She's got it in my mouth.
Stay still. Oh my god, there's too much on you. Oh shit, you look a bit like Casper. I think I put too much on.
You've covered my lips in foundation.
Oh, I'm not supposed to do that. It will help the lipstick to stick.
That is true, actually. Well done.
Really?
Yeah.
Trying to rub it in. Right, I think that's it. Yeah, eye pencil.
Liam was about to put eyeliner on my eyebrows.
Next, contour. Do we use this one?
No.
This one?
Why would you contour with a massive brush?
I don't know.
You
Ah, this one. What's contour? Probably this one. Oh. Why is it pink?
Because you're using a brush that I've used for lipstick.
I think you got round here, don't you? I've seen some people do this on YouTube.
I think I'm going to need new brushes after this.
But yeah, I don't know. Oh god, that's not really doing anything. It's all because it's cheap, it's not because it's me. Contour.
That's how you contour.
Yeah.
That's how you contour, people.
Is that how you do it? What do I do? Just get some on the brush.
Shake some of it out. And
Ready?
the supposed contour you
Yeah,
just did.
it will blend in now because I'm doing it a different way than other people do it. Oh, it looks worse this side with the light. On the other side, so it looks like I'm doing a better job.
In all honesty, I actually thought you were going to be even better than this.
I reckon this says eye pencil. Can't you tell me what I do with it?
But then that's
I might do a better
cheating.
job. And I might be able to do a better job.
Okay, that goes in your eye.
In your eye?
Yeah, that is not for your eyebrows. That is black.
Ooh. This is for your eyebrows.
That is not. That's mascara.
No, eyeline, eyelashes. Taxi!
Just dipped your finger in my eyeshadow.
Right, which one do you want?
You pick a colour. You pick what you think would look nice.
You're the client, so
It's alright. You pick.
let's go for. Do I
You're
use my
just
finger?
doing it with your eye.
No, this is a really good technique using your finger. People have learned. It comes out really well. It's true. Surprise how good this is going to be.
Oh my god.
Well, that's good, isn't it? Oh shit.
You're using your finger. What are you doing? You're ruining my palette.
Close your eyes, please. I thought you were supposed to use your finger. What do you use?
When have you ever seen me use my finger?
I don't know, I just put my finger in it and just went with it. No, it looks really good. Yeah, watch.
Oh my god.
Close your eyes. Wait. Oh this is like bloody... You can't move. Don't move! Stop! Get a bit more ink on there. Oh Christ.
Oh my god.
It's because you moved, you messed it up. It went really well at the start.
Okay,
Right, next one. Don't move this time. Yeah, that'll do.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Put on my teeth.
Now rub your lips together.
Oh my.
That's new as well, I can't use that. Ah!
You
Look.
just hurt yourself with lipstick.
It's a very bright colour. Oh Jesus.
I think this should be my thumbnail.
Yeah. You look like the Joker, I'm not gonna lie.
Probably my eyebrow.
Now I'm going to do the eyebrows. What do I do? Just brush it. No, let's try and actually get it to go. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Wow. There. I think it looks really good.
Right, I'm just saying the thing you've missed out. You've missed out bronzer and highlighter because you have to figure it out.
What brush do I use? The big one?
Yeah, you can use that one if you want to.
Where does bronzer go? Just on your cheeks, maybe? Does it go on your cheeks? No, it doesn't, does it?
Yeah, it can.
All over them? So then I'm right. Either way, it's all over your face. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
Looks really good, doesn't it?
Oh, look at...
What? Do I use my finger?
No.
What do I use?
Well, you just basically put the whole thing in there.
Where does this go?
Where do you think it goes?
A bit up there. I think it just goes all over, doesn't it? Just gets hooked.
Highlighter goes on my neck.
There!
So this is Liam's after look that he thinks looks alright. What do you guys
Well,
think?
if you take away the eye thing and do the lipstick bit, yeah, I think it'd be alright. Yeah.
I got a line. Right, do you want my review?
Yeah.
Right. So, this is terrible.
Not that bad, but I've never touched makeup.
Right, so you should have put foundation fully on my face and my neck to start with.
I did.
Then you should have contoured and not just used one colour. You have to use the darker colour here to contour my face. You haven't actually contoured my face. Then you should have blended it and then used normal powder and then used bronzer to then go over and contour my face even more. And then you would have
I can't remember all
used
this.
eyeshadow and blended out the eyeshadow and then put highlighter on top of my brows and then done my brows and then done eyeliner and then done mascara. You didn't do mascara.
Oh, what's mascara? That goes on your eyelashes.
Yeah. And then you would do highlighter at the end and then lipstick.
It's not bad for a first go, is it?
Well, would you be happy with me going out like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll go for a walk, shall we?
Oh, I feel a bit tired.
Oh my god.
It's just
Right.
the lipstick and the eyes. If I didn't do those, I think it'd be good.
It's terrible.
The foundation's good.
It's not, look. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and we'll see you next time while I go and scrub this
subscribe to
off
my
my
channel.
face.
I don't do makeup.
No, you don't do makeup, you do photography. So if you like photography and videography, go and check out Liam Francis vlogs too. See you next week. Bye.